Shop smarter with BrainyBuyer.com and support smarter by subscribing. Your click means more unbiased tests, clearer charts, and fewer decision headaches. Okay, so we're checking out two Weber propane grills, right? The Q1000, B00FDOONEC, and the Genesis E-315, B0C8KRYZR9. Big difference in price right away, minus $229 versus $799.
Yeah, definitely a price jump. So what do we get for that extra cash?
Well, the Q1000 is all about portability. It's only 27.5 pounds and kinda compact. Perfect for tailgating or camping. It's got 8,500 BTUs on a single burner, heating a 189 square inch cooking area.
Gotcha. So smaller and simpler. The Genesis E315, on the other hand, sounds like a full-sized grill.
Exactly. It's a hefty 176 pounds. Dimensions are way bigger too. 36.1x 30.3x 25.98 inches. It's got 3 pure blue burners, though no BTU is given, but I'm sure it's more powerful than the Q1000.
Makes sense. And the Genesis has that extra large sear zone. Sounds good.
Oh yeah, and porcelain enameled cast iron cooking grates on both, but the Genesis has the Weber crafted compatibility, where you can swap out grates for other cooking surfaces. The Q1000 has split grates for a grate/griddle combo, but you have to buy the griddle separately.
So, the Genesis is modular. That's pretty neat. What about ignition?
Both have push-button ignition, making them easy to start. And both are propane, but the Q1000 uses those disposable cylinders, while the Genesis uses a standard 20-pound tank. You can get an adapter for the Q1000 though.
Okay, so portability versus power and flexibility. The Q1000 is great for small spaces and on-the-go grilling, and the Genesis is for serious backyard cooking.
That's the gist of it. The Genesis also boasts a 12-year warranty, while the Q1000 has a 5-year limited warranty. And the Genesis has a grease management system, making cleanup easier.
So if you're grilling for a crowd or want a more advanced setup, the Genesis is the way to go, despite the price. If you just need something simple and portable, the Q1000 is a solid choice.
Exactly. Depends on your grilling needs and your budget. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.